Is it recording? Oh, it's recording, yay!
Fuck you. Go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself.
Get up!
I'm holding on to the grass and you're pulling my shoe off. Don't rip my shoe, don't rip my shoe.
I don't think a handstand over you.
Fucking over me, come on.
Yeah, wait! No, like right on top of you. You're like... Get out, you lazy ass. You're recording.
Anyway.
Get up. Get up. Get up.
You're staring the little kid.
Get up.
Ow, you like dislocated my fucking shoulder.
Look, watch me. Watch me. Bend down.
Right? And kick up.
And there, you've just done a handstand. Why are you doing? Why are you fucking doing it out of frame?
Because I don't want to be in the camera.
Do it! Just do it, please, once.
No! I'm old.
Do it, please. Just do a handstand.
Do a handstand.
I already did one.
Do another.
If I do one, will you do one, please?
No, because I can't.
If I do a really awful one, will you do one?
No, because I'll be trying.
Please. Just do one really fast.
I can sit.
Just try.
I can sit.
Just try, please.
I can sit.
No fucking way. I think we learned how to sit when we were like 2 years old. Actually, we knew how to sit when we were like infants.
We knew how to sit when we were like 4 months old. And where are you living in?
Do it.
Do it.
Handstand.
I will do it if you do a really crappy one.
Okay, I will. You do yours first and then I'll do my crappy one.
No, we'll do it together.
I
Put
can't.
it back down.
Hold on, I have to angle it again.
They can all see my flubber.
You don't have any flubber, so shut up.
Right. It's blubber.
Shut up!
With your fucking shoes. Just put them over there. Don't throw my shoes. You'll owe me $20. Give me $20. Go that way.
Oh, this way?
Oh. Wait, are we going this way or this way? What, where are you going?
Well, I'm going to go on the opposite end.
Oh, well, it's kind of like weedy over there, and I don't want to. Ready? Ready? I can't do it.
Wait. 1, 2, 3.
I hate you.
Alright, I'll do my crappy one. Okay, ready? Happy now?
Guess what I can do?
Ow!